Hello friends, today we continue our lesson. We are learning Mandarin Chinese from the beginning. Okay, now let's go to it. Today we are on lesson 2. So, which one of these is China? I see Chinese flag here, so this must be it.
中国
中国 Okay.
中国
中国 So, it literally means middle country. Oh, I didn't know about this. Okay, good. It makes sense.
你是中国人
你是中国人 So we have a new word here, ren. Now let's click on it.
人
Person, people. Okay, it makes sense. So, 你是中国人 It means you are Chinese people, Chinese person. Or just you are Chinese. You are Chinese in English, right? So, you are Chinese.
你是中国人
你是中国人 Okay. Which one of these is United States, America? Oh, I see American flag here.
美国
美国 Okay.
美国
美国 It literally means beautiful country. Oh, makes sense. America is beautiful.
我是美国人
我是美国人 So it means I am 美国人 American.
我是美国人
我是美国人
人
人 So we try to draw here. Okay. Ren. China. China. It means 中国 right?
中国中国
Yes, we were right. 中国
美国
What did she say? Can I play back slowly?
美国
美国 Okay, 美国 She says 美国 America.
美国
美国 Okay.
我是美国人
我是美国人 I am American. So here we have to say it right. 我是美国人 Okay. Which one of these is he or him? From the picture, I see this man and the girl pointing at him. So
他
it must be it. 他
他
Okay. 他 He is American. He is American. We know that 他 is he. So where is 他? We have two American. 美国 Okay, so 他是美国人他是美国人
他是美国人
他是美国人 Okay, we're right.
他不是中国人
他不是中国人 We have a new word here, 不 Let's click on it and see what does it mean.
不
不 Not, okay. 不 Not. So, 他不是中国人 means he is not Chinese. Okay, let's try. He is not Chinese.
他不是中国人
他不是中国人 Okay, we were right.
不
不 It means not.
不
不
我不是中国人
What? Can we repeat it slowly?
我不是中国人
我不是中国人 So, 我不是中国人
我不是中国人
我不是中国人 Okay, I am not Chinese. have them matching pairs. Let's try it.
你
你 it means you.
我
我 I.
他
他 him. Okay. He is not American. 他不是美国人. The first one.
他不是美国人。
他不是美国人. Person, people. So we learned it before. This one.
人，
人
你不是美国人。
你不是美国人. So 不是 means not. 美国人 means America. So not American. Okay. This one. 你不是美国人. You are not American. Okay. He is not Chinese. He. So what was he? 你 no, not 你. 他
他
is not. 不是
不是
Chinese. 中国
中国
人.
人。他不是中国人。
他不是中国人. He is not Chinese. Yay! Okay, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Bye.